Good afternoon. It's me, Shami. As guys, you know that I have recently completed my Finland challenge and I lost 5 kg in 9 days. And I was going through FTP and even I'm just going through now also. My 15 weight management program is just ongoing, and I'm here to update you regarding the results that I feel like I'm feeling more active, I'm feeling more energetic. So guys, at the end of my 15, I will update you how was my experience and how much weight